Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun has three types. Number one, first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. We have total 7 basic pronoun, and they are he, she, it, I, we, you, they. All the three types of personal pronoun among them. First person pronoun is I, we. Second person pronoun is only you. Third person pronoun are he, she, it, and they. And why the I, we are called first person? First person means the person who speaks. The person either is single, either they are plural. When the speaker is speaking, they are called first person because they are using the pronoun for himself, for themselves, I and we. Therefore, the speaker are called first person pronoun because the speaker is stepping first or speak something. The second person, he is present in front of the speaker and he is listening to the speaker. First of all, the speaker is speaking something and the listener is present. Either the listener is one or more than one. When the listener is listen to the speaker, then the speaker use the word you for the listener. That is why the speaker is called the second person because he is listening after the speaking and his turn is second after the speaking. And the third person, he, she, it, and they, the persons, they are not available, they are not present between or among the speaker and listener. Pronouns and person, they are not available, they are not present between the listener and the speaker. They are not speaker, they are not listener. Therefore, they are absent. So the word which is used for absent people is he, she, it, and they. Therefore, these pronouns are called third person pronoun.